Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neelam and you're on my YouTube channel. Today is my video about a master bath makeover in few easy steps, and the rule, if you follow, it's really simple. You can transform your master bath or your guest bath into your own sanctuary. So I'm starting with my washroom vanity. Actually, I do have a very dark color. I think it's called color called espresso, and it's pretty dark. And as you see, my floor is also dark. So I like to go with the lighter finishes. It's a gray blend with beige streaks in the tile, and I'm really big fan to add artwork in your washroom because it creates a right away wow factor. Because my color is very neutral, it's like very grayish blue, so that's why I want to add a color in my washroom. So I add this painting, it's from HomeSense, and then I add beside my beside my bath, I add this table, a glass table. I really love this table, and as you see, I cover the top of the table with, it's a peel and stick wallpaper because it was a crack on the middle, and I like the farmhouse feel, so that's why I do apply that peel and stick wallpaper on top, and then that's it. The white type towels are always a good addition. It's always add a freshness to your washroom. And then this is my shower. When I bought this home, the very good idea is to add a tiles to the top, up to the wall, up to the roof, because then it gives you an illusion of a big washroom. It is already a big washroom, but I like to add the tile to the top, and the builder charge little bit more. I think I put 350 to do it up to the roof. And as you see, I also had artwork here, and this is my walk-in closet. I will show you later in some other video. And we have two vanities. So close to the bathtub, I add this beautiful table. And if you want to create a mood, light up your candles. And then this is a window which brings a lot of light, very tall window. And I did one more trick to my washroom. I add a mirror up to the roof. The same thing with my tiles, because it's also give you the same illusion, the bigger washroom, and it's also a little bit more price. I think also 350 to do the mirror till top. And this is my second vanity because it's a his and her vanity. So this is hers, as you see, a lot of his stuff. And this is the gold tray. I bought it from my real Canadian superstore, and it's a gold lacquer. It's a beautiful, really beautiful tray. And then I add these jars. It's from the HomeSense, and they are really nice price, from $14, $12, and $13. Then is acrylic jar. I add the cotton bud, and then the same is my perfume table. Also, this tray is from HomeSense. And then a very nice, it's always a nice to have a towel, a little bit splurge on the luxurious towel. It's also feel good, and it looks good. So this is my washroom, and that's how I complete my look. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and the next video I will do my second washroom. This is my master bath. Tell me if you like it and what you like it, and share me with your master bath photos. I really love to see your photo. And I also add this tea table, tea bench also from the HomeSense. It was, I think, $79.99, but it's a good, really good splurge. But it's also a really nice bench to have in your shower.